Hello, and a huge welcome to you. You've found the American English Podcast. I'm Luna.
And I'm Leo. It's an absolute pleasure to have your ears with us today. We're genuinely thrilled you're here.
You know, Leo, I was just thinking how lovely it is to create this space, a little digital coffee shop where we can all gather to unwrap the English language together, piece by comfortable piece.
I love that image. No rush, just good company and practical tools for your conversation toolbox. And speaking of tools, that's our heart for today, equipping you with the essential day-to-day phrases that make conversations feel natural, not forced.
Exactly. We're moving beyond the textbook to the living language, the words you'll actually hear at the grocery store, in a work chat, or when meeting a neighbor. Our goal, to help you swap that nervous feeling for a quiet sense of confidence.
Before we dive into those golden phrases, could we ask you for a tiny, powerful favor? If the idea of feeling more at ease in English sparks joy for you, please hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to make sure our future chats always find you.
And if you're feeling extra generous, a thumbs up lets us know we're on the right track. It helps our little community grow so we can keep creating this for you. Now, let's settle in. Take a deep breath. Ready to begin, Leo?
Absolutely. Let's start where every connection starts, the greeting.
So we all know hello, but English, especially American English, loves variety. It's like having different spices for the same dish. A classic, versatile one you'll hear constantly is, "How's it going?"
Hey, how's it going? It has such a smooth, effortless vibe. It's not as formal as how are you? It's more like, I see ya. Let's connect briefly.
Perfect description. And the beauty is in the simple reply. You don't need a life story. A warm, "It's going well, thanks," or even just, "Good, thanks," does the job perfectly. It's about the exchange of goodwill.
Now, for friends or people your own age, you might hear the ultra-casual, "What's up?" It's the linguistic equivalent of a friendly nod.
Important note on that one. "What's up" is for casual settings. I wouldn't lead with it for my boss or a professor. For them, the classic, "How are you today?" is your safe and respectful go-to.
Got it. So what's up for my buddy Tom? How are you today for my manager? Context is key. Now, what about when you need to interrupt or get someone's attention politely?
This is where a little phrase does a lot of heavy lifting, is "excuse me." It's your verbal tap on the shoulder. Whether you're trying to pass someone in a crowded aisle or you need to ask a stranger for directions, "Excuse me, where's the library?" It softens your approach beautifully.
And if you mishear someone, instead of a panicked "what," which can sound harsh, a simple rising "sorry" is the gentle key. It directly translates to, "I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?"
Yes, or if you want to be extra clear, the full polite request is, "Could you repeat that, please?" Never be afraid to use this. It shows you're engaged and care about understanding.
That's a relief. I think we often worry about asking for clarification, but it's such a normal part of talking.
Let's move into a scenario that makes many learners anxious, the point of purchase. But it doesn't have to. The magic phrase here is, "How much is this?" Pair it with a little point or a smile.
Simple and effective. And when you've decided, I'll take it. Clean, confident.
Now, for ordering food or drink, we graduate from the basic. Instead of the blunt, "Give me a coffee," which can feel demanding, we use the wonderful, "Can I have a coffee, please?" or "Could I get a green tea, please?"
Can I have is like a gentle request, not an order. It changes the whole energy. And to finish the transaction, can I have the check, please? Or in some places, the bill.
Seamless. Now, shifting gears, offering help. This builds connection. Instead of just, "Do you need help?" try, "Can I help you with that?" or "Need a hand?" It's proactive and kind.
And when someone helps you, beyond just thank you, you'll often hear the wonderfully relaxed "thanks, I really appreciate it." And the common reply isn't always "you're welcome." Very often, it's the chilled out "no problem" or "sure thing."
Those are the phrases that make an interaction feel friendly and modern. "No problem" especially tells the person helping you was not a burden at all.
Okay, Luna, here's a secret fear. What if I'm listening, but the other person thinks I'm just silent? How do I show I'm with them in the conversation?
This is a brilliant question. In English, we use little verbal nods. They're not full sentences, but they're crucial for flow. Phrases like, I see, which means I understand, or right, or oh really? Or a simple wow, or that's amazing.
So they're signals. They say, I'm following you, keep going, I'm interested. That's incredibly useful.
It makes the conversation a two-way street, even when you're mostly listening. Now, for one of the most powerful tools in any language, the genuine compliment. A well-placed compliment is social sunshine.
Like what? Give me some that feel natural.
Easily. At a friend's house, you have a beautiful home. Noticing someone's effort, this meal is delicious. Or a simple, I love your jacket. The formula is simple. I like or appreciate specific thing.
And the response is usually just a happy thank you so much. It's an instant connection booster.
Let's paint a picture. You're at a small gathering. You meet someone new. After, hi, I'm Leo, and nice to meet you, there's that tiny pause. Instead of panic, you have a few easy openers. How do you know the host's name? Or what brings you here tonight? Or even just a simple observation. This is such a lovely party, isn't it?
That last one, ending with isn't it, is a gentle invitation for them to share their opinion. It gets the ball rolling.
Exactly. Now for gracefully ending a chat. We have a palette of options beyond just goodbye. It was great talking to you. Warm and personal. I'll let you get back to it. Thoughtful if they're busy. The classic take care, sincere and kind, and the ever hopeful see you later or catch you next time.
Each one has a slightly different flavor, but all are friendly and clear.
Let's take a breath and look at the wonderful toolkit we've built together today. We started with greetings like, how's it going? And politeness, excuse me, sorry. We covered transactions, can I have, I'll take it. We unlocked the secrets of active listening, I see, really, and connection building, can I help, I love your, and we ended with social grace for both starting and ending chats.
It's not about memorizing a script. It's about having these friendly phrases within reach so you can stop worrying about what to say and start enjoying the who you're talking to.
Beautifully said, Leo. So here is your mission, should you choose to accept it. This week, we invite you to choose just one of these phrases. Maybe it's, how's it going with a barista? Or, I see in a conversation. Just one. Practice it, own it, and watch what happens.
We would be absolutely delighted to hear about your experience. Please visit us in the comments below. Tell us, which phrase are you going to try first? Or share a story of a time a simple English phrase helped you connect.
Your stories inspire us and each other. This isn't just our podcast, it's our shared community space for growth.
If today's conversation brought you value, please help us spread this gentle, practical approach to learning. Share this episode with a friend who's also on this language journey.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for spending your valuable time with us. Keep your heart light and your curiosity bright.
Until next time, this is Leo
And Luna,
reminding you to speak kindly to yourself and take care.